Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to review the two different verbs that represent to be in Spanish, ser and estar. We're going to go ahead and start with estar. Now we've covered estar in a previous lesson, so you should already be familiar with it. What we're going to focus on in this lesson is the uses of estar, because if you're an English speaker, when you're learning Spanish and you want to use the verb to be, you have to decide between ser and estar. And they are not interchangeable. So let's take a look at the forms, just a quick review. So this is something you should know already. So that's a lot of information on this chart. So let's simplify it to just the verb forms. So these are the forms of estar. So the big question is now, when do you use estar in Spanish? So the first rule is location, location, location. So we use the verb estar when we're talking about the location of people and objects. So let's take a look at some examples. So the first thing is a little bit of vocabulary. So these are places that we can use to talk about where someone or something is located. At home, en casa. At work, en el trabajo. At the supermarket, en el supermercado. At the bank, en el banco. At the park, en el parque. So now let's put this together with the verb estar. If I want to say I am at home, remember I'm using the verb estar because I'm talking about my location, then I would say estoy en casa. I'm at home, estoy en casa. I'm at work, estoy en el trabajo. Estoy en el trabajo. I'm at the supermarket, estoy en el supermercado. Estoy en el supermercado. I'm at the bank. Estoy en el banco. Estoy en el banco. I'm at the park. Estoy en el parque. Estoy en el parque. If I want to talk about the location of she, whoever she is, if I want to say she is at home, I'm choosing the verb estar instead of the verb ser because I'm talking about location. So she is at home. Ella está en casa. Ella está en casa. She's at work. Ella está en el trabajo. Ella está en el trabajo. She's at the supermarket. Ella está en el supermercado. Ella está en el supermercado. She's at the bank. Ella está en el banco. Ella está en el banco. She's at the park. Ella está en el parque. Ella está en el parque. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. Remember to choose estar instead of ser when you're talking about location. Remember, location, 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 the verb estar. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.